Introduction to React.js. 1. What is React.js and why it's popular? 2. Understanding React's component-based architecture. 3. Virtual DOM and its advantages. Setting up your development environment. 1. Installing Node.js and NPM, Node Package Manager. 2. Creating a new React.js project using Create React App. 3. Understanding project structure and files. JSX, JavaScript XML. 1. Introduction to JSX and its syntax. 2. Working with JSX expressions and embedding JavaScript. 3. JSX elements and components. Components and props. 1. Creating functional components. 2. Passing data through props. 3. Composing components and nesting. State and life cycle. 1. Understanding component state and its management. 2. Setting up initial state and updating state. 3. Component life cycle methods, for example, component did mount, component did update. Handling events. 1. Adding event handlers to components. 2. Common event examples, for example, onClick, onChange. 3. Updating state based on user interactions. Lists and keys. 1. Rendering lists of data using JavaScript map method. 2. Using keys for efficient list rendering. 3. Managing list state and updating dynamically. Forms and controlled components. 1. Building forms with React.js. 2. Handling form input and updates. 3. Controlled components and form validation. Styling React components. 1. CSS styling in React.js. 2. Inline styling with JSX. 3. CSS modules and external CSS libraries, for example, Bootstrap. React Router. 1. Introduction to React Router for handling multiple pages/routes. 2. Setting up routes and navigation. 3. Passing parameters and accessing route data. Managing state with React Context. 1. Introduction to React Context API. 2. Creating context providers and consumers. 3. Sharing state across multiple components. Working with APIs and fetching data. 1. Making API requests with Fetch or Axios. 2. Using React's useEffect hook for data fetching. 3. Handling asynchronous operations and displaying data. Introduction to React hooks. 1. Use state, useEffect, and other built-in hooks. 2. State and side effect management using hooks. 3. Refactoring class components to functional components. React best practices and performance optimization. 1. Best practices for organizing and structuring React code. 2. Performance optimization techniques, for example, memoization, should component update. 3. Debugging and using React developer tools. Next steps and advanced topics. 1. Advanced React concepts like context, portals, and error boundaries. 2. React ecosystem overview, Redux, GraphQL, React Native, etc. 3. Building real-world projects and further learning resources. Remember to practice what you learn by building small projects and experimenting with different React features. This will help solidify your understanding and improve your React.js skills. Additionally, refer to official React documentation, online tutorials, and coding exercises to deepen your knowledge and gain hands-on experience.